You are about to become $100 richer in less than 14 days. Welcome to this 14 days challenge, guys. I am so excited for you that you decided to learn a high earning skill. That's actually huge. Regardless if you start freelancing full time or just as a side hustle, it's always good to know different ways of earning money, especially online. Just a quick disclaimer. I just want to say, this series are not high production and the sound effects with the, all of that. But what I will deliver during this 14 days is high value information that you can apply to become a high earner. I just had to say this because the attention span nowadays is not like it used to be. I just want you to stick through and watch every video till the end because there's a lot of valuable information here. Regardless if you're a beginner or if you have freelanced for some time, you will definitely learn something new in every video. Okay, so just to give you a little bit of guidelines, this video serves as an extension of day one. The shorts are only 1 minute long and there is only so much information you can get in there. So I would recommend you to watch the shorts first in every video and make sure you watch to the end so you can see the to-do list in every video as well. And then you come back and watch the long form content, because here you will find instructions on how to do things, how-to videos, tutorials, and stuff like this. I also want to encourage you to don't rush this challenge. It's more important that you actually finish each step in each day than keeping up with the days. So make sure you do everything that is listed in the to-do list before you move on to the following day. For example, if you are on day 3, make sure you watch the short for day 3 and then you watch the long format video for day 3 and then you tick off every item in the to-do list before you move on to day 4. Day 1 is the first day. We're just going to keep it light and easy. The task for day 1 is to commit to the challenge. If you decide to start this challenge, then make sure you see it through all the way to the end and decide that, I'm going to give it a go to the best of my abilities and I'm going to do everything that is required of me to see this challenge through. That's very important. Your commitment is so important. I mean, there's money on the line here. And more important than the money, you are adding real value to your life. There's 2 types of people in this world. One is one who asks for fish. Number 2 is one who learns how to fish. Number 2 will always be fed. Have the knowing that as you progress in this challenge, you're actually learning how to fish. And that's a skill that no one can take away from you. And it's also something amazing to fall back on throughout life. Another reason for why your commitment is so important is because watching and not applying is simply useless to you. Let's be real. You can watch thousands of videos about how to earn money, but if you don't apply what you learn, it's not going to change anything for you. You won't become richer or you won't become smarter either. Actually, to tell the truth, you will actually be dumber because you know that if you do A, you will get B, but you're not doing it. In your opinion, is that smart? Let me know in the comments. So when you decide to commit to the challenge, go back to day 1's short and comment, I'm in. Comments that are left under that post will be responded to with quickness under future videos, simply because you're letting me and yourself know that you are fully committed to this challenge and serious about making money within 14 days. So within 14 days, you will not only become richer because you are earning $100 within 14 days, right? You will also become a high value individual. That's amazing. In 14 days only, and it's completely free. I just want to shed light on one thing. This challenge is 100% free and is genuinely created to help you, support you in earning money as a freelancer. But don't forget that Diginuer's website have plenty of resources that help you to do just that as well. Learn from strategies that have worked for myself and Diginuer clients from across the world. So if you're stuck somewhere in this challenge, there is resources on the website that can help you. For example, if it's taking too long to complete your profile, get a template. It's only $2.99. Get a template, fill in the blanks, and boom, you have a winning profile. If you want to learn more about something, for example, how to create your profile, how to be client-oriented, there's courses. Or if you're ready to start freelancing full-time, then attend a workshop. It will teach you everything from your profile, how to structure it, how to get clients organically. Like, it will teach you everything you need to know about freelancing. So good luck, everybody, and I see you in day 2.